Sanborani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Isthembu sikaMsongelwa. So guys, remember last week's episode ended on a bang when Umsongelwa left his wives, guys, and drove out of his yard netekisi lakhe nje kanjalo. So this episode starts off there where he's driving the taxi outside of the yard, and the taxi guys is giving him trouble. Hey, umsongelo laphayana he's busy speaking yedwa. He's like, kodwa madoda yenzani le moto ingafi manje ngiyacela, like hayi manje. Guys, as he's saying hayi manje, the taxi or the car just decides to stop istake laphayana, and la istake khona it looks like there's no help, or there's not much help. But anyway, he jumps out of the taxi, he takes out his phone, and I guess he's making a phone call for someone to come and help him. So he makes a phone call, and then mekakhuluma efonini, he's like, wenduku phuthuma ndoda phuthuma, isivele yafa le moto manje, shesha uzoyilungisa. Then he's like, yeah, ngilana wambisane. Yeah, phuthuma. Guys, as he drops the phone, nonduku tell uNduku ukuthi azomsiza, the phone starts ringing. Abheka ifone, he's like, hayi lo mfazi usenzeni, hayi uyinkinga, hayi angeke ngilibambe mina, unamanga, lizokhala lize lizithulele. He just ignores usenzeni's phone call, guys, like kusho ukuthi guy, he is adamant ukuthi akabuyeli emuva. Ekhaya the wives are busy bahlele estupini, guys. Usenzeni ulayo efonini. The phone is on her ear. She's trying to call Umsongelwa 100 times akaphenduli. The rest of the other wives are busy looking at her, hoping ukuthi uzophendula or something like that. Kodwa usenzeni, while she's waiting, hoping that Umsongelwa is going to answer the phone call, she's busy speaking to the other wives. She's like, nike nezwa nje indoda eshiya isithembu sayo for intombi. Nadanayizwaphi leyo nto. The phone goes to voicemail, guys. She redials it again. She's like, for intombi. Umamkhulu is like, yazi uyasidelela uThumakade, futhi ngiyamazi umuntu ongasiza, umalume Sithende. Like mfonele Senzeni, fonele umalume Sithende. He's the guy who can help us. Usenzeni is like, angeke mina ngifonela indoda yami. She's still trying to call it. She's like, mina ngifonela indoda yami uSithende, akusiyona nje indoda yami. That type of thing of, hey, mina I don't want family members abazongena indaba zami. I can deal with my man myself. Uphathekile says, nawe-ke, Uphathekile is the wife number 2. Uphathekile says, nawe-ke Senzeni ufuna ukuncengwa, athi ngiyolanda ifone yami. So as she's about to get up ayolanda ifone, uSenzeni is like, hello. Usho ukuthi ifone ingena ku-voicemail. Uphathekile is like, uyamthwala yini uyamthwala? Usenzeni is like, lutho. But she tries calling. One thing about Usenzeni, guys, she is that wife that she's like, I'm gonna deal with my man myself. Lema-ke Umsongelwa, he decided to leave itekisi nje kanjalo. He decided to abandon the taxi, wathatha umthwalo wakhe, i-suitcase yakhe, and he decided to hit the road, guys. So he's walking on the road, hoping ukuthi uNduku uzomthola endleleni. So as he's walking ku-gravel, guys, he sees ingathi kunebhaki, kunemoto that's approaching, and he can see ukuthi imoto yakhe. So he stands aside. That time, guys, imoto iyagijima, it's coming so fast. When uNduku stops the car right in front of Umsongelwa is like, hey wena swine, uyidriva kanjani imoto yami? Wena. UNduku aphuma emotweni. He's like, hayi mlungu. Umsongelwa is like, uyangichaphaza man, uyangichaphaza. Guys, if you have a car, yazi kubuhlungu kanjani umuntu adrivele imoto yakho ingathi like it's nothing, and you know ukuthi like how much it costs. So Umsongelwa is like, uyangichaphaza man, uyangichaphaza. Then uNduku is like, hawu mlungu ngiyaxolisa, angithi umlungu uthe hurry up, so that's why ngithe angivele ngishaye imoto, ngishaye umshini, ngifike ngespeed. At this point, as uNduku was talking, he got out of the car. Umsongelwa wants to hit him. Ufuna umshayela lento ukuthi hayibo wena ushayela imoto yami kanje, uyidrivele uzoyimosha. uNduku was like, hayi ngiyaxolisa mlungu, ngiyaxolisa. So uNduku sees the suitcase, ukuthi uMsongelwa uphethe suitcase, and he's like, Shange, manje Umsongela is like, hayi ndoda mina ngiyashiya lesi sithembu, ngiyasiyeka lesi sithembu mina. UNduku looks at him and he laughs. He's like, awungitshele, usewayidla inyama yengwenya? Have you eaten inyama yengwenya, meat of crocodile? Umsongela is like, inyama yengwenya ingenaphi? Isanda wenzani yona? Unokhuzana uNduku is like, hayi bo, phela wena lento ikhulumayo uthi uzoshiya amakhosikazi wakho, uwashiyela into osanda yithola manje nje esithubeni. Umsongela is like, hey wena ndoda, wena like awazi lutho. UNduku then says, Shange, ngitshele, hawu kodwa like awufuna umenza yini like lo sanda kufika manje, awufuna umenza unkosikazi wesine like your fourth wife instead of just leaving isithembu altogether. Umsongela is like, wendoda, uyabona njengamanje ayikho into engizoyikhuluma nawe, awazi lutho wena, uyangizwa? Mina no-Asanda kudala sazana, uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini wena, uyangizwa? Manje-ke kumele ngizichaze kuwe, and that time wena awazi lutho wothando weqiniso. Hayi then ulokhuzana-ke uNduku says, hayi kulungile-ke, angazi lutho ngothando, kodwa-ke mlungami, hayi ayikho le. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi kumele uyobona inyanga enkulu uvele nje uthole uthatho. If not-ke, if you don't want to go kwinyanga, you should just allow me ukuthi ngikukhiphe siyodla inyama yengwenya ngoba le angiyazi nje, angiyazi into enje. Umsongela is like, hey wena Nduku, hlukana nami, uyangizwa? Hlukana nami wena dude nxa. I'm just like, yo, Umsongela gets right into his car, guys, and he leaves uNduku right there and there. uNduku uyakhala laphayana and he's like, aw, like, Shange, like, ungangishila, awusangishiya, awusangibeki le ezansi Shange. Aibo Umsongela leaves him there. At this point, guys, I'm like, the way Umsongela is behaving, you would swear ingatudlisiwe because hey, Aibo guys, this guy is short-tempered. Akafuna ukuzwa next from anyone who's telling him ukuthi like he must slow down. I get back there, but the house came. Ulokhuzana ke uphathekile, who is the second wife, she is busy there by the house, guys. Kunomfundisi uhlele lounge uphathekile, she's bringing umfundisi tea, guys. Umfundisi uhleli laphayana crossing his legs ngoba akekho umsongelwa. Anyway, Phathekile comes with the tray netiye, guys. She's like, hey, lalibi ke izulu namhlanje mfundisi, ake siphuze nali itiye sifudumale nkosi yami. Then she puts it down, she puts the tray there on the coffee table. She's like, nali nekhekhe mfundisi. Umfundisi is like, hawu ngiyabonga. Then umfundisi says, hey, libukeka ngathi limnandi leli khekhe lakho. Then uphathekile, she's like, hawu kodwa mfundisi, she laughs. She's like, awukalifaki ngisho emlonyeni, ulizwe nje ukuthi linjani. Hey guys, I was laughing because this scene reminded me of Ustumo, guys. If you've watched a lot of episode of Iskudis Nice, there was an episode nomfundisi nekhekhe, something like that, if you remember it. Anyway, umfundisi is like, hayi libukeka ngathi limnandi impela. And then ulokhozana uphathekile, she's like, siyabonga mfundisi. Uphathekile, she looks like those wives that take umfundisi more seriously. Angithi she, amongst the three wives, she's the wife othandazayo or something like that. Umfundisi says, yebo, abahleke bobabili. As behleka, umamkhulu comes into the lounge, guys, angene, and she clears her throat. She's like, ahem. To say ukuthi ayinihlekani lana usenzeni ke, she comes in nomamkhulu. Umamkhulu is like, he hayi sawubona wemfundisi. Umfundisi says, malidunyiswe igama lenkosi. And then umamkhulu, she says, amen. Phathekile, ngabe konke kuhamba kahle? Uphathekile zakhe, hawu kodwa sisi, how can you ask me that ubusazi ukuthi inkinga esibhekene nayo la ekhaya? Usenzeni zathi manje umfundisi ufunani la ekhaya? Then uphathekile says ukuthi, hayi bengicabanga ukuthi bengimcelile umfundisi ukuthi azosikhulekisa la ekhaya, mhlampe like uzokwazi ukuthi asisize with leli lifu elimnyama that is over us. Usenzeni is like, manje menikhuleka umuphi ikhekhe? Yaza ngicabanga ukuthi ubaba would be happy to know this, or to know that this is happening engekho lana. Like wena uphisana nekhekhe lakhe, I'm just like, guys, the way the play on words like got me like laughing so much. But anyway, unokhuzana uphathekile, she's like, ayibo, umsongela akekho la ekhaya, uhambile. Ngibize mina umfundisi to pray with us. So please. She goes on to say ukuthi asazi ke ukuthi lo mfazi that ubaba went off to ukuthi like umfakeleni if umfakela isidliso or whatever. Umfundisi lana uzosikhulekela, mfundisi bengicela ukuthi uqhubeke. So anyway, particularly she goes down on her knees. Umfundisi ke, he takes oil, ngathi anointing oil. Ayithathe ke leyo oil, guys, is about to pray. He's like, egameni likayise nenonyana nenomoya oyingcwele. He takes the oil, he smears it on uphathekile's forehead. As he's about to go on to usenzeni, ayizigcoba uthobisa uphathekile. He's like, ngigcoba ngalamafutha okususa ubumnyama. So he puts it on her forehead and then he moves over to usenzeni. As he's about to gcobisa usenzeni, she takes few steps back ngathi like she doesn't want ukuthi umfundisi amgcobise. Usenzeni is like, cha mfundisi, angiboni mina that I will be part of what's happening here. Into engiyifunayo mina isuka unukufo le ntombazana ethathe indoda yami. Ebese ngiyifundisa isifundo. I will teach her a lesson and then ngibuye nomyeni wethu lana. And then umfundisi is like, mntanami, udlame ngeke lusebenze. Udlame will not help with anything. Usenzeni looks at umfundisi. She's like, ukusifaka amafutha mfundisi uzosiza yini? And then umfundisi just keeps quiet. And then ulokhuzana usenzeni is like, ngicabangile. And then she just walks out to say like, exactly, that oil is not going to help us with anything, just the way you say udlame lwami is not going to help with anything. She walks out. Umamkhulu is like, and umamkhulu walks out as well. I'm just like, umamkhulu, I feel like she uses usenzeni to kind of be the drama. And anyway, yeah. Umsongela there, guys, he drives into Asanda's yard, right into a yard. The way he drove in, guys, ngespeed, you'd swear ukuthi it's his yard. Anyway, he drives in, he offloads his suitcase. So kusho ukuthi Asanda usendlini, she heard ukuthi kunemoto, she gets out. So as Umsongela is about to enter the door, Asanda comes out of the house. So Umsongela is like, aw, waze wamuhle. Hey, bo, Asanda's like, and then is suitcase? Umsongela's like, oh, hi, ngibashile laba. Then Asanda's like, uvele wabashiya obani. Umsongela goes on to say, ngisho lento yesithembu, ngivele ngayiyeka, mina ngifuna ukuba nawe nje. And then Asanda's like, hey, bo, manje uvele wapakisha izinto zakho, wahamba. I'm just like, didn't Asanda say ukuthi ababashiye? Ushukutu Asanda was just playing a game, guys, or she really did not think ukuthi Umsongela was going to leave these wives. Umsongela's like, kanjalo nje. And then Asanda's like, ayibo, batheni. Umsongela's like, they are fuming kodwa ke, what's important ukuthi mina nginawe, injabulo yabo, angeni lapho kwinjabulo yabo. Asanda then says, hayibo mso, uyangithusa ke manje. Umsongela's like, how? Uthiswa yini sithandwa sami, lalela. He takes her hand, he holds her hand. He's like, wena uyiqiniso lami. He says, all I'm going to ask, or all I ask, qiniso lami, ukuthi nje ungiphe isikhathi sokuthi ngihlale nawe lana just for a few days while I sort out the matter of having umshado wami or lento yesithembu cancelled. So I want to get rid of it. He goes on to say ukuthi yilokho nje engicelayo. Asanda's like, huh? She looks so confused, guys, and she's like, okay, kodwa ke uzolala esofeni. Next scene, KwaMsongela, we see uphathekile. She's hanging some washing outside when umamkhulu walks in her direction. So umamkhulu is like, uphathekile kusho ukuthi akamboni. She's like, oh, mamkhulu. Then umamkhulu is like, wasukela washing ilanga lishisa kanje. Then uphathekile is like, "Ayi wemamkhulu, if phela ngingahlala la ngingenzi lutho la ekhaya, hhayi ngizosangana impela." Umamkhulu is like, "Ayibo Ntombo, uthini ngalo msangano kaMsongelwa?" Then uphathekile is like, "Yabo mamkhulu, angikaze nje empilweni yami. Soloko ngazalwa nje ngithuke kanje, akaze. Futhi-ke into that hurts me more ukuthi mina-ke bengisuka la ekhaya and go back home ubaba wami ngizofike ngithini mina?" Umamkhulu is like, "Yo, hhayi uyophatheka kabi ubaba wakho." She's like, "Manje-ke you going to let another woman ukuthi akuthathele indoda nje kanjalo?" And then uphathekile is like, "How? Fanele ngithini mina mamkhulu?" And then that scene just ends. That's why I'm just like, I feel like umamkhulu, she hlahlaza la abanye, because what does she mean when she's saying uphathekile ukuthi how manje you're just going to allow another woman to take your man like that? Yeah, now why she's not going to look and fight that woman that she's busy hlahlaring uphathekile? I get anyway, Umsongelwa, he's at Asanda's house, guys. He is chilling there. He is sipping juice there. His feet are up there on the couch. I'm just like, this guy is enjoying himself. So Asanda, she walks into the living room where Umsongelwa is sitting, and she's holding up Ipruwe, she's holding up his pens. And she's like, "Manje, awusho gempim. Isona style sakho lesi. Like ungitshela ukuthi ugqoka uBrentwood every day. Yindlela ogqoka ngayo lena. Hayi bo. Then they start laughing bobabili. Umsongelwa's like, "How? Yiyo indlela engigqoka ngayo lena, like ikephi inkinga?" Wasanda's like, "Hawu kahle so phela, like awukho mdala ngaleyo ndlela. You can't be seriously wearing Brentwood each and every day, like hayibo. Like awusagqoki yini ijini, a techie, ne-golf t-shirt, uyabona? Ube nevavavumnyana, like hawu yini ndoda?" Umsongelwa's like, "Hayibo, then why ungangithengeli lezo mpahla uzozithenga?" Then ugel-ke u-Asanda's like, "Hayibo, anithi uyazi ukuthi mina ngiyahamba nje." Umsongelwa's like, "Hayibo, uhamba uyaphi manje?" Asanda's like, "Hawu so angithi ngishilo ukuthi mina le ndlu siyayidayisa and I already have a potential buyer, and then ngizobuyela eThekwini ekhaya." Umsongelwa's like, khohlwa yilowo, mina ngizowuthenga lo muzi. Ngifuna ukuthi ingane zethu zikhulele lana." Yo, Asanda's like, "Whoa, hhayi ngeke, like yima-ke, like mina ngikhathele yile ndawo. Like imagine mina ngisusuma wami kule ndawo, when you wanna bring me back here?" And then she just gets up annoyed. Then Umsongelwa's like, uyaphi? Nami phela, like wherever, if you decide ukuthi uyathutha lana, uzothutha nawe. Wherever you are going, I'm coming with you. And then Asanda's like, "And then i-community yakho yona?" Umsongelwa's like, "Hawulalela, hawukade ngayishiya phansi leyo community. Ngifuna wena, I only want you." At this point, he starts holding her on her waist. He's like, "Hawu kahle, like cala ungivumele ukuthi yabona kade ngayigcina. Oh, kade ngagcina ukungena esibayeni phela, ngiyacela hawu." Busy dofozaring her there, guys, busy begging for, begging for stuff. It's like how, and then he says, "How madoda ngiyacela Asanda." Then they enter the room, kusho ukuthi Asanda, she is consenting, you guys. Next thing we saw uphathekile ngathi she usesitolo or something like that, but she jumps out of i-Quantum. Usho ukuthi hayibo, lama Quantum kaMsongelwa maningi, because if uphathekile can go to esitolo with the whole Quantum, guys. So she jumps out of the driver's seat, and as she's jumping out of her driver's seat, the phone rings. As she's answering her phone, ubaba wakhe and her father's busy shouting on the phone, busy saying ukuthi, "Hey, ngizwile ukuthi uMsongelwa ubalekile, phathekile. Please don't disappoint me. Ungangihlambalazi. Do what you need to do to make sure that man comes back." She goes on to say ukuthi mina angikudingi la kwami. So make sure ukuthi lo mshado wakho works out, because lana news and rumors is going around ukuthi indoda uMsongelwa has left you guys. Yambona shem uphathekile once she hung up that call ukuthi uphatheke kabi, guys, because listen, if uMsongelwa decides not to come back, uyoyaphi? Like where is she gonna go to? I get next thing beno Asanda, they are in bed, they are done doing the deed, guys, they are naked, they in bed covering one another with the duvet cover laphayan. So Asanda's like awushomso usangithanda njengakuqala. Umso was like ngisakuthanda kakhulu futhi. Asanda's like ngempela. Then she's like, then i-community yakho siyenza njani? Kusho ukuthi wazanda udakwe uthando, guys. She just wants to make sure ukuthi she gets rid of i-community, which is abafazi kaMsongelwa, so she can live happily ever after with her men. Then uMsongelwa zakhe wangithi sengikhulumile like sengikuchazela ukuthi like what's going to happen with that. Wasanda zakhe okay ke. Yazi angiboni ukuthi sinokudla okwanele. I think I have to go out to the shops. Umso zakhe how like awuhlali nje kancane like stay in bed with me just a little while ngizopheka mina. Wasanda zakhe uyawazi nje ukupheka wena. And then she says, siyakudinga phela ukudla sizodlani if I don't go. I'm just like uMsongelwa, I'm sure his wives have never ever tasted his cooking. Here he is willing to be chef to Asanda, guys. Hayibo amadoda. So uMsongelwa's like, hayibo, don't underestimate me, ngiyakwazi mina ukupheka. And then Asanda's like, ooh, that's nice. Then uMsongelwa's like, awusho. Yazi bengicabanga la ukuthi yazi isibaya sakho isango lakho beliqinile kakhulu futhi. So it shows ukuthi hayibo, no one has been there in a while. So mina ngifuna ukwazi, is it that you were not in a relationship or what was going on? Because awukhombisi ukuthi you've even had a child before. Hayibo. Then uMsongelwa goes on to Asanda goes on to say ukuthi I was in a relationship kodwa ke akekho umuntu that I found that has treated me the way you used to treat me. Then uMsongelwa's like amnandi lo amazi. Then Wasanda's like, yes, it would be nice to just lay on your chest whole night or whole day. Kodwa, I need to go to the shops. And then she asked, ukuthi bengiqala umboleke imoto yakho. Umso's like, okwami okwakho. And I'm just thinking, whoa, yaqala inkathazo. Anyway, ke uphathekile le esitolo. When she's done speaking to her father on the phone, angena esitolo, she asked the owner or isebenzi salaphana ukuthi ungitshele awumbonanga uMsongelwa, awuyibonanga imoto yakhe in. Bekaqeda ukukhuluma as uphathekile is exiting, she's about to enter the itekisi le aze ngalo. Ulokhuzana uMsongelwa's car comes, his van comes. Remember now, Asanda doesn't know any of the wives, but uphathekile, she knows her man's car. So she sees her man's car coming, approaching, and it's about to stop, or it stops by the same place where she just came out. Remember Asanda ufuna uyothenga ukudla, guys. Yeah, uphathekile is like, hey. Anyway, Asanda, she gets out of the car there, guys, of the van, looking all cute in nama high heels. Why? Uphathekile is like, hey, mthakathi ndini. Asanda's like, angizwa. Uphathekile is like, ngikhuluma nawe. Asanda's like, hey, hayibo sis, ungangijwayeli nje kabi. Like, na inguluphi izonginonela nkosi yami. Hayibo, uphathekile is like, uhamba untshontsha amadoda abantu and then you feed them imithi, you feed them a love potion ngoba nakhu ufuna imali. Asanda, I'm showing her head, she's like, hey, anginaso isikhathi salokho. Asanda just walks off. Ayibo, as Asanda's walking off, uphathekile is like, oh, abakufundisanga kini, he? Abakufundisanga. She goes to the taxi guy, to the Quantum. As she's going to the Quantum, she's like, hayi ke mina ke ngizokufundisa ke sisi ukuthi umuntu uhlonishwa kanjani. She takes out ishamboko, guys. Takes out ishamboko. Asanda's like, hayibo. She starts ring, guys. She starts chasing Asanda ngemvubu, guys. Asanda ushiya kwa high heel laphayana uyabaleka, guys. Ngalana uphathekile zathi iphi ingulube manje, iphi kunjani makunje. Thekile is busy screaming ukuthi wazala ngithithe mina ngingulube wazalana. Asanda, guys, she manages to get into the car and drives off. I'm just like, yo, Ayike next thing umamkhulu benophathekile they are busy angazi ukuthi if ba busy ngomoba guys or what exactly were they busy with, but they busy outside. And then a red quantum comes in the yard. And then umamkhulu she speaks, she says to uphathekile how na itekisi eli driver uNduku. And then she says ukuthi uzositshela kahle-ke ukuthi uphi lo simfunayo. uNduku comes in kusho ukuthi uzopaka imoto guys. Before uNduku even gets out of iquantum, umamkhulu zathi Nduku woza lana. Hawu uNduku zathi hawu mamkhulu wenze njani? Umamkhulu zathi uphi umsongelo? Ayibo uNduku starts laughing. He's like, uyazi mina bengithi ngizomthwala la endlini. Umamkhulu zathi uyambona la ekhaya, uyambona? Then uNduku zathi cha mamkhulu. Umamkhulu zathi uphi umsongelwa? Hayi ulokuzana uNduku's adamant. He's like angimazi. Uphathekile zathi uyamazi. Then uNduku zathi angimazi ukuthi ukuphi azange ngimbone. Umamkhulu zathi umusa ukusenza izilima wena Nduku sitshele. Ayike uNduku zathi angeke mamkhulu ngiwenze isilima like angeke like not you out of all people. Hayi-ke umamkhulu zathi uzomkhipha-ke namhlanje uzomkhipha. Uphathekile zathi hayi unamanga lo manje kunedrama ngaphandle. Phathekile zathi hayi unamanga lo umamkhulu ambambe ngama-washing. She starts hitting him. She's like uzomkhipha wena. Then he comes out of the house guys carrying ishamboko. She's like hey uzomkhipha uzositshela ukuthi ukuphi. Next thing uphathekile she's going to take a rope guys ingathi bafuna umbophela so that he can take out the truth ukuthi ukuphi or where is their husband. Next scene guys we see some taxi it stops in front of Umsongelwa's house and some man gets out. So we don't know who this man is, but anyway this old man says ngiyabonga mfana. So the taxi driver is like ngakusiza baba to put isitcase lapho endlini. Then the old man says ngiright ungabuyela emsebenzini. I don't want you to lose money ngenxa yami. As the old man is coming in, abafazi bakamsongela bambophelile guys. They tied up uNduku to a tree guys. They are pouring buckets and buckets of water upon him. Bayamshaya bamtshela ukuthi uzokhuluma uphi mkhiphe umyeni wethu. Then umamkhulu is like umalume sekafikile bawethu. Kusho ukuthi umalume yelona that malume Sithende that they were speaking about that could possibly help them. Even though mamkhulu is trying to kuza the other wives saying ukuthi umalume sekafikile yebo abanandaba. uSenzeni is like yebo ufihla umsongela lona ufihla umsengela uyamazi ukuthi ukephi. Uphathekile she's busy adding fuel there. She's like mphinde shame unokhuzana uNduku uyakhala lapha. He's like angimazi. Uphathekile is like people if awumazi people. Umalume is like hey hayibo imani makoti imani. He looks at ulokhuzana uNduku. He's like mfanam labafazi bazobulana khuluma. uSenzeni is like sizambulana thina sambulana. Umalume says ukuthi angeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngikuvikele khuluma. uNduku zakhe okay uno-Asanda la ekhoyo ngiyazi ukuthi uAsanda ukuhlala kuphi. Mamkhulu zakhe asambeni uzosibonisa ukuthi uhlala kuphi lo Asanda wakhona. Umalume zakhe cha makoti nina nizosala la ekhaya mina ngizohamba naye sibuye naye umsongelo. uNduku then says ukuthi asambe malume ngicela ungikhiphe lana. Then umalume zakhe mkhululele they take him out guys. Umsongelwa yena in Asanda's house he is half naked guys. He is wearing his underwear. He's in an apron laphayana. Ubusy yapheka guys unguchef laphayana. He's busy singing umnandele. He's waiting for uAsanda ukuthi abuye itolo. So he hears ukuthi kunomuntu ongenayo in France. So he's like, hey baby, ngingalana, waza ngalana ekitchen. Kanti umalume noNduku. Malume noNduku, they follow their voice, they walk in the house, they come ekitchen. Umsongana he's busy there alababoni, he's thinking ukuthi uAsanda. Umalume zakhe Msongelwa, umsangano wani lona? Umsongela is so surprised. He turns around. He's like, Malume, ufunani lana? Malume is like, ungena yini wena? Ushiya abafazi bakho to be istrila of another woman. Umsongela is like, hayi malume. Umalume is like, udakiwe wena, udakiwe. Umsongela is like, angisona isisebenzi ukuthi nje malume. Umalume is like, pho yini yonke lento? Yini ugqoke kanje? Ungunu ubhizi ngamabhodwe lana asambe siye ekhaya asambe. Oh, umsongela is like, angimi mina lapha, ngihambi mina. Guys, he looks like he doesn't like akafuni next. He doesn't want to go back to that noisy house. Umalume is like, lo mfazi ukuphe isidliso mfana. Then umsongela is like, hayi, yabona-ke Nduku, bengicela ukuthi ningihambele. Umalume is like, asiye indawo, sizokulanda siye ekhaya so that we can talk about umsangano lo wakho. Nduku, mthathe sihambe. UNduku is like, mina ngimthathe malume ukuze yambona ukuthi umsongela is got a bit of muscle. UNduku is like, ayike umsongela umzwile-ke umalume. There uNduku, he tries wrestling, he tries pulling umsongela, but umsongela is stronger than him. They're busy wrestling. UNduku uyakhala lapha, umsongela uyangilimaza. Umsongela is like, uzama ukwenzani wena, uzama ukwenzani malume? Nizama ukwenzani, Ngithe ngihambeleni la. Umalume is like, Ngizokushaya mina mfana. Ayibo guys, takes a bucket of water. He pours uNduku with the bucket of water. He pours umalume with the bucket of water. He's like, ngithe hambani. Hey guys, bephume laphayana begijima because umsongela was pouring them with water. Moments later, Asanda angene, guys. Asanda walks in angrily, and she walks straight to the bedroom. She passes the kitchen. Umso is like, ayibo sithandwa sami, uyahleka laphayana, uyamqoqa ukuthi lalela-ke. Kufike abomalume lana bezongitshela ukuthi fanele mina ngihambe siye ekhaya siyolungisa izinto nabafazi bami. Ngathi mina ngeke sengisithathile mina isinqumo nizohlala nesithandwa sami mina. He is busy. Uyahleka laphayana. Asanda comes from the bedroom carrying his suitcase. Angene kitchen while he's laughing, and she throws the suitcase on the floor. Umso is like, kwenzenjani manje? Asanda is like, hamba. Umso is like, cha sithandwa sami, lalela, ngiyazi ungazikhathazeki ngomalume. Asanda is like, hey Msongela, angihlangene nomalume wakho mina. Angizange nje mina ngibhalisele yonke le drama le that's going on. Umsongela is like, how? Sengingumsongela manje, not umso anymore. Asanda is like, thatha izinto zakho uphume. Umso is like, ngiyacela cala ungilalele mina Dali angiyindawo phela mina, me and you, we are lovers, singayilungisa like siyathandana mina nawe. Asanda zathi abantu bokuthandana bokunuka, unkosikazi wakho ucishe wangibulala. Ngithe hamba Mso. Usongela is like, muphi yena? He doesn't even know which one, because they're all wild. Which one is the one that tried to yitho Asanda? He's like, muphi yena? Cala ukuthi wehlisa umoya, like asilungise lento. Asanda's like, hey, ayikho nje, like mina azange nje ngalwela indoda, and futhi angizuqala namhlanje, bengicela ukuthi ungihambele. Umso's like, how ngiyacela sithanda sami. Hey, Asanda doesn't want to hear anything. She pushes him out of the kitchen with his suitcase. Umso's like, manje i-apron. She's like, ngithe phuma. Guys, Umso left the house wearing i-apron, ne-underwear, ne-suitcase yakhe. Aibo, and the episode ends like that, but you can see Ugutu Asanda is really hurt, you guys. Anyway, let's park it right there, because Ugeli, can she really stand the fire of being with a man who needs to leave Tembusai? Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.